I didn't know it was possible. Pudding ready in just 1 minute and a half. In a mug, we will start by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Now, put in the microwave and leave it for 2 minutes or until it turns to caramel. Be careful because this caramel burns very fast. In another container, we will add 1 egg, 8 tablespoons of milk, 6 tablespoons of condensed milk, then, with the help of a fork, mix everything. It's ready, and now just books next door. With the caramel ready, just spread it out over the mug. And then just pour all the liquid over it. Now just take it to the microwave again for 1 minute and a half. Yes folks, it's just 1 minute and a half our pudding will be ready. And look at the result. Look how amazing it looks. There's no way to resist. Here my pudding was still warm, but I opened it anyway to show you how it looked. It is the same as the traditional one. There's no difference. Best of all, it's ready in minutes and you don't mess anything up. Now just take it to the fridge and will be perfect. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Do it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.